Good morning, everyone. Today I have another part to the series I'm doing of prepping for 30 days of sketches. I guess it's a series. Okay, and we're not too many days from the start of it, so there may be she might have the sketches released to everyone, but I haven't had a chance to look. We had an award ceremony for Skylar today, and we got to go to that. So I've just been here since I got home. It's like, how does the day go so fast? I don't know. But anyhow, the next one is a horizontal picture, and it's 4x6. But I say 6x4 because it's horizontal. And who asked me? Totally. Cindy asked me if I picked out the papers first or my photos. And when I get the sketch, then I always look at the photos first, and I just go through my photos and see what will fit into that size and the amount. So like this one's just one, and then I go and look for a paper that will go well with my photo. And sometimes, like this one here, I had a hard time deciding if I would have enough papers, but I decided I would, because there is actually, I would say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 papers on this. But, and then there's also, I mean, some of it could be scraps because there's small pieces, but there is a whole lot of papers. So, you know, sometimes when we're doing 30 days sketches, you find that spot where you get to use up a whole bunch of your scraps. Okay, Maureen had given me this Teresa Collins, what's it called? Daily Stories. And I thought this looked well with the people in my picture. My daughter is going to be the main character in this picture, even though you can see two or three other people in it. But she's the one who's looking at the camera. She's right in the front, so I'm doing it kind of with her colors. But the other two of the people in the picture also look great with these colors. So it worked out really well. And there, you know, it's like some of these could be, I mean, it's like I'll be able to use these scraps. This I'll be cutting down. This I'll be cutting down. I'm thinking, yeah, this I'll be cutting down. And this one will be my main paper, and then this one I'll be cutting down. So I will be using a little bit of all of these. Well, obviously they could not all be 12 by 12s, but I don't know what I was thinking, why I thought I had to say that. But there is a lot of papers, a lot of different sizes, so this would be a good one to use some scraps. But when I seen this, and I thought, oh, it looks so good with my picture, that it's like, even though I'm going to be cutting down other papers, I'm using this. Now, I do have, this was the scraps, and I think that's, there might be, yeah, these are like the same scraps. So, and then there is these butterflies that I thought I could use for embellishments. There are some, they're more like, they're small, like this is story currently, these letters, but it's like snapshots, memories. I mean, all these I could use, and so, a lot of this is duplicate, so, but I might be able to use some of these, and then I'll pull out other embellishments if I need something else. But I really like how this looks. I think it'll look great. And just be a lot of cutting because there is a lot of, I want to say there's a lot of moving parts. Okay. Oh, and that is day 10 for those who want to know what day it is. Okay. Because I know somebody said she just pulled the papers like I said and worked from there. So that worked out nice. Okay. And then this one here. Okay. Now I'm putting the whole kit and caboodle in here. Okay, now I'm going to show you my main papers. And I put this in just because I couldn't put my hands on the other vellum right now. But I might want to use vellum in this next one. And this is day 12. Some of them I didn't get pictures to yet. So, and this one has 4 3x4s and then one that's a little bit smaller. And they're vertical. And so I'm going to be using 2 of these because it's a 2-page. I'm pulling this in. This could actually be, you might actually want 2 papers per page, but I'm thinking this kind of looks like the sketch with something here and something here. So that's how I'm going to use it. And I always pull in all the scraps. And I'm just to keep this together. And I think I'm going to be using it on another day too. But just to keep it together, I'm putting it here. And I might like to use some vellum on it. And the rest is really going to be embellishments. And I'm sticking this in here. And, oh, I was going to say, I couldn't find the embellishments. There was another one I couldn't find the embellishments. And these Minte sent me, so I do have some that are already fussy cut. And then I've already fussy cut several of them. So this will be a fun one. They're all going to be fun. I love doing 30 days of sketches because it's, my style is so different than, or you know, it's like you just get doing what you're used to. That's what I really have to say. Okay. Now this is, you see I've been using this for a lot of 30 days sketches. Okay, this one here has, I don't know. It has 4 horizontal pictures. And they're 3x4s. And when I print them out, I just print them out today. And I print them too big. So I'm going to print them smaller. And let's see, I got to move it. I got to tell you, when you see this sketch, it is just so pretty. Like, I just want to do it exactly how she has it with the exact same papers, but I'm going to use these for right now. Okay, so this is one of the papers I'll be using as a background, and then I'm going to be using these 2 papers also, and then I'm going to be using, now I don't know if it'll be this vellum or a different one, but I'm sticking both in, or I'm sticking this one in here just so I remember that I'm using vellum. So and then just embellishments, and I could not put my finger on my embellishments that I already have cut out, so I'm putting this with it just in case I can't find it and I have to cut them. But I do have a tray that I keep my stuff on that I want to cut, and I'm thinking it's on that, and it's the only place I didn't look. So this is day 13. Gosh, it seems like it should be further. And I'm just putting this in here in case I want to cut embellishments out of here or anything else. But because I just throw in, you know, everything when I'm working on it. So that is really exciting. I mean, if you've seen this, you know that it is. I mean, some of the pictures of their sketches are just so pretty all by themselves. You're thinking, oh, I just want to find that paper and just do it like exactly like she has it. But this will go good with my pictures, so I'm good at that. Okay. And then here's my next one. I gotta get to the back. Okay. The next one is actually gonna be, my granddaughter was born the day before Thanksgiving when she was born. So sometimes her birthday falls on Thanksgiving, but I don't think it did this year, but I think this is from 2025. So anyhow, on this one here, you basically need a background paper and then one other paper that's smaller, which is not actually going to be this one, but and then you know, your embellishment papers and embellishments. Okay. Oh, and you need 2 pictures, and I made mine 4x6, but you could actually use smaller. Okay. And so I'm going to use, bringing in this. I haven't told you the name of any of them. Oh well. I'll have it listed down below. Maybe. I really haven't done that either. When I do the layout, I'll tell you then. Okay. So, but this one is Echo Park, and it's Wood Grains Warm. And look at these together. It's just so pretty. Because in the sketch, she used wood. And it's like, oh, love that for my pictures. And then I'm going to bring this in for one of my embellishments. And this, the 6x8, of course. And then here's the embellishments. And, you know, I just keep it all together. I might want to use this ladder because of something that she has used as an embellishment in her sketch. So I have it here and I have it here, so maybe one of those I'll cut out if I decide to use that. And then of course I bring, you know, all the embellishments. Oh, I did not bring my fussy cut pieces, but I've got stickers, and I've got stickers with this that they sent me when I got blessed with that bundle. And I actually have this. I think they sent me this too, and then I bought this. And I have to say, the autumn ones, I don't know what it is about them, but I love the autumn embellishments. But look at, see, I've already cut all those out. Or I might still have some to cut in there, but we'll see. Okay, so that is day 14. But, you know, even if I don't get much further, just having part of it ready, it makes a big deal. Okay, makes a big difference. That's what I mean. Big deal, big difference. Yeah, it really is helpful. That's what I want to say. Okay, and then this one here, this sketch, you just really need a background paper, and then everything else can be scraps. And this one has 5 square pictures, and I'm thinking they are maybe 2 inches a piece, but I'm gonna see what are mine, or maybe they're 3 inch. I don't know, they're smaller than 3 inches apart, but mine are gonna be 3 inches. And gotta have 5 of them. They're square. And then so you need your background paper, and this is from Homemade Mente. This is the other side. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I'm gonna use this because I want it to look like a baby blanket. And then I have baby boy embellishments here, and I don't think I've cut any of these, So I will have to do some of that before day, what again? Day 16. So that will be fun. And that's it for today. So I think I got 5 again. It's 1. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got 5 there. So thank you for joining me. Let me know if you're going to be doing 30 days of sketches. And let me know if you get the sketch, you pull out your pictures first, or do you go and just get your papers first. I know Maureen will actually just make, lots of times she'll just make base pages and add photos later. But I do really like having a goal in mind, and, you know, because, you know, it's like, it would be hard for me to come up with 5 baby photos in a square if I didn't already know what I was going to use. So thank you for joining me. Let me know what you do, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.